What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So we had 3 tow-ins today. One with the wheel off, one for AC diagnostic and a no start, another one for driving on the road and died. The Honda, on a 150,000 mile Honda, was multiple codes for misfires. Air intake boot was torn open. Doesn't have a spare key, and then I just ghost rided the vehicle out to the street. The front end's clanking and banging. I just said, you know what? Yeah, I'm over this car. Send it someplace else. So then I moved on to the Hyundai, and I thought that the motor was hydrolock because I'm like, how often do you get a customer in for AC and a no start with a good battery? And I'm like, damn, what's going on? So I try to turn the crankshaft with the belt still on, the motor doesn't turn. I try putting voltage to the starter doesn't go. I'm like, oh man, no way. Got a bad motor, locked up engine. So I was like, let me take the belt off and turn the motor. I can turn the motor. Apply voltage to the starter still doesn't go. Put a jump box on it just for shits and giggles, and we still don't have no starter. So it's not very often that I see those type of failures at the same time. But here you go. So we need an AC compressor. The condenser's leaking, the line's leaking, the starter's shot, and we don't even know what else is wrong with this car. The wheel off car, someone definitely left the lug nuts loose. I don't know who that was, but it wasn't us. See, it's missing a lug nut on the left front wheel. Some people are just driving around some unsafe shit. It's hot again. I thought this weather would pass, but it is what it is. But the point of the story was, I haven't in my career ever seen someone come in with a seized AC compressor and a bad starter at the same exact time. So this would be a first for me. It needs some maintenance work, air filter, cabin air filter, and the rest of the AC work. So let me talk to the customer and see what they want to do. Thanks for watching.